Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa 0. I'm joined by the Black Hunter.
Stibo.
Yeah.
Ngichelile.
Yeah.
Ngathi this season.
Peter.
Operation Teka Nkwashu.
Teka Nkwashu.
Operation. Kasitsonga ba ro Operation Teka Nkwashu.
Teka Nkwashu.
The ball is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's gama kepul.
Yeah.
You're 30 Petway.
1.
M10 30. 2. Net bank.
3.
Yay 6.
Yeah.
Nitata Ikali.
4.
Did we win the football?
Yeah.
The real football.
Yeah.
Did we witness it today? Yeah. Did you saw?
The ball, lady.
The Pirate win.
Yeah.
The football gods have agreed.
Yes.
We are not going to talk about Sundowns anymore.
Yeah, never.
We are not going to talk about Sundowns anymore.
That done.
We are talking about the ball to the beautiful Esgama Kepula.
That done.
Esgama Iron Took.
Yeah.
Nompumi Close.
Yeah.
Ngay 6.
Yeah.
Ngay 6.
Yeah.
Friday.
Yeah.
Mbulana Iteren Fit.
Aife.
Ngay 6.
Yeah.
Ngay 6.
Yeah.
Mbulana Karin.
Aife.
Ramizon Team. Ramizon Team. Ipatway.
Yeah.
Escotine.
Yeah.
Noitata.
Nyankani.
Escotini.
Nyankani.
Coach Wadu. No, Coach Wadu.
Yeah.
Knows his football.
Yeah.
Coach Wadu. Hey, Baba.
Yeah.
Focus on me, man. I'm claiming. He's my friend.
Oh.
He knows me very well. Because
Bengatabi.
ekhaya sidli pirate.
Yeah.
Sivuki pirate.
Yeah.
Skezi pirate.
Yeah.
Abantwana bami, my mom, my grandpa.
Yeah.
Everyone is a pagania.
Yambana.
Ihlapha enkulu le.
Nyama.
Esingamakhepula.
Yeah.
Bona ikimi yanamuhla anginambaba nayo. 6 December.
Yeah.
Epolokwane.
Yeah.
Ngiyayithatha.
Thank you very much.
Uyibhale phansi.
Thank you very much.
Ngiyayithatha ikhali.
Thank you very much.
Where is
Thank you
Stibo?
very much.
Ungizwile ngisho. Sharp.
Yeah.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?